I am back at these units, and it's 79 degrees today, and I'm gonna go over to that building and check out the units there, but I'm gonna check out these ones first. Anyway, here's a Rude running. Here's another Rude. Another Rude. Here's a Comfort Maker running. This Keep Right's running. This Comfort Maker's running. Bond's running. This Arcoware's running. This one's running. And that one's also running. Sounds like there's some running over here as well. This one's running. That one's running. Yeah, a bunch of them are running. Well, not a whole lot, but some. And I don't think those are running. Actually, I'll still check them. That one's running. And that's not running. Anyway, thanks for watching.